up? Welcome to Cakes by Anna. I'm Serena and in today's video I'm going to be showing you how to make gluten-free brownies with jaggery, for which you require half cup plus 2 tablespoons of oats, 1/4 teaspoon of baking soda, half a teaspoon of salt, 2 tablespoons of butter, half a cup of powdered or grated jaggery, 1.5 cup of dark chocolate, 2 eggs and half a teaspoon of vanilla extract. And like always, the link for the written recipe is given in the description box below. You can go and check that out. And if you like this video, do subscribe to my channel and hit the like button. And now, let's get started. Thank you so much for watching my video. I hope you enjoyed it. Do give this recipe a try and comment down below how it turned out to be. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share and I'll see you in my next video.